I've been craving hopia from the famous Eng Bitin for so long. And the best way to satisfy this craving authentically is by visiting Eng Bitin in Binondo, Manila. Eng Bitin in Binondo is definitely the go-to place for authentic hopia cravings. Their hopia, especially the ube flavor, which is my favorite, is iconic and has become a favorite for so many. Pikit mata lang akong dampot ng dampot as much as I can. Bahala na kung magkano babayaran ko sa cashier. Basta maiuwi ko sa Capiz at all cost. Worth it naman yung binayad ko kasi craving satisfied naman. Grateful, O Lord, for the blessings and opportunities. Amen. Thanks for watching.